Breaking news now coming in the Mehul Choksi case. A Dominican Prime Minister has dismissed Mehul Choksi's claim that the Dominican government conspired with Indian and Antiguan officials, that he was abducted, beaten up and brought to Dominica illegally. Dominican government calling the charges a dicotia total nonsense. So that's the big news coming in. It appears that Choksi for now is not getting the manner in which he was expecting an approval from the Dominican government. That's not coming around. Munish Pandey with all the latest. Munish, so at least for now, the Dominican Prime Minister dismissing Choksi's claim and that there was no quid pro quo in any way with regard to his abduction.
Well, Pooja, remember since the time Mehul Choksi has been arrested in Dominica, one of the main defense has been that the Indian government, the Dominican government and the Antiguan government, they all conspired, resulting into his abduction from Antigua and then torture and later his detention in Dominica. Now, after these allegations, the opposition parties in Dominica also raised this question and questioned their own government. Now, the Dominican Prime Minister has come on record and in an interview he has said that all the allegations by Mehul Choksi are completely false. They are completely nonsense, and they are also claiming that their government was never in touch with the Antigua or Indian government. He was illegally entering into the country. That is when he was arrested. Remember, Mehul Choksi is already being tried in the Dominican courts for illegally entering into the country. His only chance of going back to Antigua is if it is proved that he was indeed abducted from Antigua and brought illegally in Dominica. But, his lawyers are fighting really hard in Dominica. But as far as the chances of getting him deported to India is concerned, they are very bright because the Dominican government has already told the court of Dominica that he should be sent back to India because he is a citizen of India.
Keep tracking all the latest. Munish Pandey, for now it appears that the Dominican government is not accepting the abduction charge, and also that three governments of three countries were involved in possible abduction for him.